Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable copy trading contract notifications on BTCC account. So first we're going to go to the BTCC app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the three lines on the top left corner. Then again, we're going to click on settings found at the top right corner. Then next we're going to click on app notifications. So as you can see, copy trading contracts are turned on, so we're going to turn it off. So from now on, you won't be notified about any copy trading contracts. So that's the importance of this setting. It's a very easy one. We also have a video on how to enable it. You guys can check it as well. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such as your helpful cryptocurrency and trading app. So make sure you download it. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure you check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I would see you again. Goodbye.